Every day, thousands of fresh watermelons begin a journey from farm to factory core, transformed into millions of bottles of refreshing juice.
This rich pulp contains the juice, fiber, and natural sweetness of the fruit. Powerful extraction systems squeeze every drop of juice from the fruit pulp. The juice is temporarily stored in giant stainless steel tanks.
The juice is temporarily stored in giant stainless steel tanks.
The juice is filtered to remove tiny particles while preserving natural flavor. This creates a smoother, cleaner juice ready for pasteurization. This process kills harmful bacteria while preserving flavor and nutrients. The juice is then rapidly cooled before packaging begins. Fully automated bottling systems fill thousands of containers every hour. Every bottle receives the exact amount of juice with incredible accuracy. Next, automated capping machines securely seal every bottle. Labels and branding are added before final packaging begins. Workers carefully inspect packaging quality before shipment. Robotic packaging systems prepare the products for distribution.
Every day, massive quantities of juice leave the factory for supermarkets and stores.
Behind every bottle is an incredible combination of agriculture, technology, and industrial precision. Behind every bottle is an incredible combination of agriculture, technology, and industrial precision. From farm to factory, This is how modern industry transforms watermelons into juice for millions of people every single